Hey guys, my name is Aloe and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I make my own hair mask using aloe and coconut oil and how I apply it to my hair. This video will be very informative, so sit back, relax, and take notes. So first we'll need a knife, a spoon, aloe of course, coconut oil, and a plate. I then go in with a knife to remove one side of the aloe. And now I'm using a spoon to scoop the jelly off from the other side of the aloe. I then place the jelly in the blender, and this is what it looks like after. All I'm doing here is putting it over into a clean bottle so that it can be easily accessible when I'm ready to apply it to my hair. Now I'm going in with the coconut oil, and basically what you want to do is add a little bit of coconut oil. We don't want too much because, as we all know, coconut oil is not the best smelling product for our hair. Then we just shake this bad boy up a bit. And this is the finished product. Now I'm about to apply the mixture to my hair. I then section my hair into two and put one side away. I then further subsection the side that I am using so that I can evenly distribute the mixture throughout my hair. And I'm just using a brush to detangle. Now I'm going in with the mixture. When applying it to my hair, I make sure I focus on the ends more because that part is usually more dry. I then twist this section so as to set it aside from the rest of my hair. Now I'm just showing you this step one more time so you understand exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm finished this side and I'm about to do the other one. I would have completed both sides and this is how it looks. I then do the exact same thing that I did to the rest of my hair. I'm now using another piece of aloe to rub on the roots of my hair. Aloe is also good for acne, hence the reason I'm putting it on my face. Also, I will be putting other benefits of aloe down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I'm now putting all my hair in one pony. And here I'm going in with a shower cap just to hold my hair in place.
A few moments later.
After letting it sit for approximately 1 hour or more, I then start to untwist it. And this is how it looks. And now this is how it is after I would have washed it out. It's super shiny and it feels so soft. So this is my hair after like a few hours. Brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification because I will be posting. And I will see you in my next video. Until next time.